Isa sa mga storya this conference sa PBA ay ang Northport Batang Pier. They started the season with a 5-0 record. And I don't care if sabihin ng marami na
wala lang yan, farm team pa rin naman yan. Pero anong gusto nating mangyari, 'di ba? For now, let's just look at everything here as it is. Wala munang trade talk kasi hindi naman yun yung point ng video. We are here to appreciate such a performance. Kumbaga sa ibang video na lang yun, if ever. So, itong Northport team na to, yung Arvin Tolentino kasi given na yan eh. Laging yan na yung napag-uusapan pagdating sa Northport. So, ang gusto kong tignan sa team nila ngayon ay yung growth ni Joshua Monzon as a player. This conference, so far, through 5 games, he has shown na he is a two-way threat. In around 34 minutes a game, Joshua Monzon averaged 20.2 points, 3.2 rebounds, and 2 assists per game. He also shot 51.4% from the field and a respectable 34.5% from the three. Most of his points came from transition na nanggagaling rin kasi sa defensive stops. If you look at his shot diet, he's attacking the paint more kumbaga sa dati. Hindi na siya nagsasettle sa mga long two-pointers and instead, he's just going to the paint aggressively. And kapag nasa transition naman siya, naha-highlight kasi doon yung isa pa sa mga clear advantages niya over other PBA guards, which is his size and athleticism. At 6'4" or 6'3", wala rin namang ganun pinagkaiba yung 1 inch pagdating sa height sa pros. Kasi maraming factors na nagde-decide dyan eh. Wingspan, di ba? Vertical ability. Mahaba lang ba yung leeg o mahaba lang ba yung legs, di ba? Wala namang masyadong nagse-separate between a 6'5", a 6'4", and a 6'3". Unless talagang sobrang haba ng wingspan ng isa. Anyway, I'm waffling, okay? Sa transition, kasi he can finish over most guards na hindi Scottie Thompson, CJ Perez, or Chris Newsome yung pangalan. So most of the time, meron siyang advantage doon. So, ano nga ba talagang reason or factor sa magandang laro ngayon ni Joshua Monzon? I truly believe na it's because yung role niya ngayon ay merong definition. Minsan kasi yung versatility, it can be a curse. Minsan, being able to do a lot of things makes someone not excel at anything. Yung idea na yan, nung sinulat ko yan ngayon, yung quote na yan, na yung versatility, it can be a curse. Naisip ko pwede ko siyang gawan ng mas malaki pang video going in depth dun sa idea na yon. Pero for now, let's talk at the topic at hand. Si Joshua Monzon kasi these past couple of conferences, yung role niya, have been reduced to a defender and a secondary ball handler dito sa Northport, which made things better for him kasi may expectations na eh. Hindi yung every game nag-aantay ng banibagong hat-trick. No. Ngayon si Monzon, pag naglalaro siya, alam mo kung ano yung makukuha mo. You're getting solid defense, good transition offense, and an occasional shot creation. Kumbaga, he's always been a good defender naman talaga. Even bago pa siya pumasok sa PBA, yun nga talaga yung strength niya eh. Pero ngayon, may focus na kasi to excel at that. Ngayong conference, sa unang 5 laro, he averaged 2.4 steals per game, which is great. PBA, kasi it's a guard-dominated league and yung mga guards dito sa liga na to, most of the time, are the cream of the crop, the best of the best, mga top-tier guards. And being able to become a solid or like a top-tier defender sa posisyon na to, it's an impressive feat for a player like Joshua Monzon na, di ba, coming into the league, ang expectation sa kanya maging 3-level scorer. Ngayon, isa na siyang two-way solid defender who can also score occasionally. Sa play na to, we can see Monzon way up here to defend Stockton. To put pressure, para ma-pressure mo yung point of attack. So, by doing that, he forced Stockton into a stance na he's protecting the ball, okay, against Joshua Monzon. So, kung makikita natin dito, Stockton was in between the ball and Joshua Monzon. Yun yung stance niya to protect the ball. Pero Monzon kasi played it well. Instead na magsusundot siya, maging overly aggressive, bangga-banggain niya si Stockton, okay, most likely makakakuha ng foul dito si Stockton kapag ginawa niya yon. Monzon just played the angle game. Kung makikita natin yung right foot dito ni Monzon, okay, yan. Kung makikita natin yung right foot ni Monzon, it was pointing towards Stockton. So, 2 options for Stockton. Well, may iba pa rin namang options, pero ito yung 2 common options to manage this kind of defense. It's either you go right, the drive ka pa kanan dito, go baseline, na risky kasi Monzon is a lengthy defender and most probably there's going to be help defense here. So if you drive right, okay, matatrap ka ng dalawa and you are forced to either kick out to the weak side or, alam mo yun, maisti lang ka dyan kasi madodouble team ka na.
And hindi ganun kaganda yung angle kasi nandito ka sa area na to. Defender na rin dito yung sideline or yung out of bounds area. So, another option or the perceived easier option is to attack Monzon's lead foot. Okay, magfe-face up ka, then you're going to cross over papunta sa kaliwa. Speaking of kaliwa, kasi the perceived easier option na atakihin yung lead foot ni Monzon and make him open his hips. Okay, ibig sabihin nun, pupunta ka ng kaliwa. And hindi rin yon ideal. So, anong gagawin mo? So, ang ginawa rito ni Stockton, he was patient. Okay, willing siya, hayaan mag-develop yung play, see ano mangyayari sa offense nila. Ang ginawa ni Stockton, nagpalit siya ng angle to get a better view of the court. Na-recognize ni Monzon na hindi sinamahan ng bump ni Stockton yung switch para i-close yung gap between him and Monzon, which gave Monzon an angle to swipe the ball from the back. Kasi nga, hindi binangga ni Stockton or hindi niya ginamit yung katawan niya to protect the ball pagkaikot niya. So, na-timingan ni Monzon, naka-steal si Monzon, transition, kung saan siya malakas, okay, and he drew the foul against Stockton. But of course, kasi when it comes to defense, it's not just about steals. Kasi minsan, pwedeng malakas ka umi-steal pero hindi ka effective as a team defender, hindi ka connective defender. Joshua Monzon is also great at being the point of attack defender, especially sa mga pick and roll plays. Again, sa same na sample size, 5 games, he's only allowed his opponents to only 0.5 points per possession sa mga pick and roll ball handler plays. Again, that's top tier. Dito, it was an empty side pick and roll for Pringle. Okay, si Monzon ng point of attack defender. Dito sa first half ng play na to, Will Navarro did a great job reading the situation. Okay, ang nangyari kasi dito, Pringle nag-set siya ng jab step to force Monzon, okay, na mag-gravitate towards the screen, which gave Pringle a slight opening, okay, sa first step niya. Napakaliwa ulit, okay? So, ang ginawa ni Navarro dito, nag-show siya to force Stanley Pringle or give Monzon the right amount of time to recover to Stanley Pringle at hindi malibre yung pop dito ng, alam mo yun, sobrang wide open. So ngayon, pag-step up ni Navarro, but that meant na si Pringle was going left. Na-anticipate ni Monzon yun na most likely si Pringle babalik pa kanan yan. So Monzon closed the gap. Kung makikita natin dito, okay, there were 2 defenders on Stanley Pringle. So Monzon closed the gap, hinock niya yung lane, okay, swipe up the ball and force the turnover. Again, that's timing, that's reading the situation, and that's na alam niyang masusundot niya yung bola na yun, which was, you know, pretty exposed. Kung makikita natin dito, pagka-hop step ni Pringle, it was right there for Joshua Monzon to take. So, yun yung ginawa niya, he took the risk, and now, again, clear path foul. Kahit noon pa kasi meron na talaga siyang tools. Meron siyang tools to be a great defender sa liga na to. It's just that his previous team kasi expected him to be this 3-level scorer, yung idea na pampalit kay CJ Perez, which he was able to fulfill naman, inefficiently. And now, sa team na mas mataas yung stakes dito sa Northport, may reason to play harder. Minsan nagko-compete sila, minsan hindi, pero they're always, you know, around the 6 to 9 area sa standings. So, kumbaga, mas may stakes. And Joshua Monzon has reinvented himself to be one of the better two-way guards dito sa PBA.